In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tracking number in Etsy tutorial. We're going to walk through the exact process on a desktop computer, and by the end, you'll know how to attach a tracking number so your buyer is automatically notified. Have your carrier and tracking number ready, and let's get started. Open your web browser and go to Etsy.com. Sign in to your seller account so you can access your shop tools. Once you're in, head to Shop Manager. This is your central hub for everything related to your shop. From there, click on Orders and Shipping. You'll see your recent orders listed along with their current status. Find the specific order you're ready to ship. Take a moment to verify it's the correct order by checking the item, the buyer's details, and any notes they may have left. When you're sure you have the right one, click Complete Order. This opens the shipping confirmation panel where you'll add the details that buyers and Etsy rely on to track the package. Choose your shipping carrier from the list. Pick the one that actually handled your package, such as USPS, FedEx, DHL, LBC, or whichever service you used. Selecting the right carrier helps Etsy link your tracking number to the correct tracking page so your buyer can follow the shipment without confusion. Now enter the tracking number exactly as it appears from your carrier or postage label. It's a good idea to copy and paste if possible, and then review every digit to avoid typos. Small mistakes here can break the tracking link, so a quick double check saves time later. Next, set the ship date. Use the date you handed the package to the carrier or the date it's scheduled to be dropped off. Choosing the accurate date helps Etsy estimate delivery windows correctly and reduces buyer questions about timing. When everything looks correct, click Complete Order to finalize. Etsy will immediately mark the order as shipped, attach the tracking number to the order details, and send a shipping notification to the buyer with a link to track their package. You'll also be able to see the tracking information in your orders and shipping view, which is helpful if you need to reference it for support or follow-up. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Keep your carrier receipt or a screenshot of the label until the package is delivered. If you ship multiple orders at once, repeat the same process for each one so every buyer receives their tracking notification promptly. And that's it. You've successfully added a tracking number on Etsy from your desktop. Thanks for watching and happy shipping.